Okay, so we're doing basic facts, division, multiples of 10, 100, 1,000, which means one of either your dividend or your divisor are going to be ending in a 0, okay? Some of them it's going to be both. Your steps, okay? If you have zeros, after you've done your basic fact, what do you do with those? What are we going to do with those zeros? Pop them at the back of your quotient, okay? So I have two examples. I've got one where you only have zeros at the end of your dividend, and then I have one where you have zeros at the end of your dividend and your divisor. You've got your steps for both, okay? So let's look at this first one. Let's pull out our basic fact. We've got 5 times what gives me 2. Does anything times 5 give me 2?
No.
So that means I've got something wrong. What am I missing? What am I missing?
You forgot to drop your 0.
I didn't use the whole basic fact, right? I just pulled that 2 down where it's actually a 20. Well, what times 5 is going to give you 20?
4.
4. So I know that 4 times 5 is going to give me 20. So this is my basic fact. Well, I know 20 divided by 5 is going to give me 4. What am I doing with my zeros? Pop them at the back. Now, what do I do after I solve? What do I need to make sure I do before I move on? I need to check my work. How do I do that? What am I going to do? Your entire original question, and then you're going to do your divisor times your quotient, and hopefully find your dividend if you multiply correctly. So let's take our divisor. We've got 5. Let's take our quotient times 400. What is 5 times 4?
20.
20. And then what am I popping?
2 zeros.
2 zeros. Does this check out with this?
Yes.
Yes. Excellent. Good. Next one. Okay, so my basic fact here and here, right? But what's different? What do I need to do first? What's the first step?
Cancel 0.
You need to make sure you cancel the same amount of zeros. If you have 2 here and 3 here, well, you can only cancel 2 and 2. If you've got 3 here and 4 here, you can only cancel 3 and 3. So you're only canceling the same number of zeros on your divisor and your dividend. I've got 1 here, and so I can cancel 1 here. Then you're going to rewrite your equation and bring it down. What times 8 gives me 56?
7.
7, right? So I'm going to write my 7 up here. Now what am I going to do? Pop my 0, okay? Now, what do I need to do? What's the last step?
Check all your work.
Check your work. So I know that I should get 70. So I'm going to take the original problem and I'm going to check. So I'm going to do divisor times quotient and hopefully get this. So we've got 80 times 70. What is 8 times 7?
56.
56.
2 zeros.
And then how many zeros do I have?
2.
2. Very good. If you check your work, a lot of times you'll catch your mistakes with the zeros if you're forgetting to drop them, okay? All right, great job.